Do not lose your head when others around you are losing theirs. Have you ever lost your head? Have you? So, what is the meaning of losing one's head? Hello, friends. In today's video, we are going to learn about some very easy to use figurative expressions or easy idioms in English, so that we can speak a better language. So let's get started. The first figurative expression for today is to lose one's head. So, what happens when one loses one's head? What is the meaning uh, of losing one's head? Meaning to get excited, to get carried away by strong emotions. Well, there can be emotions of anger or excitement or nervousness or a panic. So let's try out a sentence with this figurative expression. The girl never lost her head, though her friends, uh, though her friends in her class blamed her for the action. That can be a very easy sentence. Or we should not lose our head when others around us are losing theirs. So please don't lose your head. Now it's time for the second figurative expression of today's video. The second figurative expression of today's video is to keep one's head on. What's the meaning of this idiom? To keep one's head on means to remain calm, not to get carried away. Just the opposite of losing one's head. So let's make an easy sentence with this figurative expression. Today's third figurative expression is to have one's head in the clouds. What does that mean? To have one's head in the clouds means to be imaginative, not to be realistic, not to be pragmatic. So, is that good or bad? Well, that is not good at all. We should remain, as practical, as grounded as possible. So, it is almost equal to like building castles in the air. All right. So, let's make an easy sentence with this figurative expression. Now, expression number 4. At the 11th hour. This one is a very easy one, I'm sure. At the 11th hour, meaning at the last moment. So, yes, we do use lots of sentences with this figurative expression. For example, when we complete our projects, when we complete our work at the 11th hour and submit it late, or I mean, submit it just at the 11th hour. So, yeah, we shouldn't do it. Now, expression number 5. Expression number 5 is to be in hot water. Now, what does that mean? To be in hot water means to be in trouble, to be in a fix, which you have to fix later. Okay, so let's make an easy sentence for this figurative expression. Today's sixth figurative expression is to eat a humble pie. Now, what does that mean? Eating a humble pie or to eat a humble pie means to apologize humbly or to surrender to an insulting circumstance or a humiliating kind of a situation. For instance, when a proud person, when a proud and I mean a person of a person of high status, or a person who has a very high opinion of himself or herself. So when that kind of a proud person has to apologize, has to bow down and has to apologize, and we can use this figurative expression to describe his his situation. So we can say that though he was a proud person, he had to eat the humble pie during the meeting, and he had to apologize to, yes, to the committee. So let's go through these idioms, and I'll be back with a fresh lot of idioms in the next video. Please stay tuned.